Hi folks, we are live from the New York Auto Show where Toyota just introduced the 2019 Corolla Hatch. It's a compact model designed in Europe to replace the Corolla IM, which you might remember started life as a Scion. The Corolla Hatch borrows styling cues like the swept-back headlights and the wide front grille from bigger models like the Camry and the Avalon. The rear end gets a similar treatment. It's the sporty XSE trim level, so it's also got the roof-mounted spoiler. The big news inside is on the 8-inch touchscreen found on the dashboard. The Corolla Hatch stands proud as one of the very first Toyota models offered with Apple CarPlay. The screen is off, so you can't tell right now. Toyota finally caved after resisting to offer the software out of privacy and security concerns. Sounds like Android users are out of luck though. The Corolla also gains Amazon Alexa integration, iPod connectivity, voice recognition, Bluetooth audio streaming, and Wi-Fi even on the base model. Talk about a well-equipped compact model.